Environments are an additional entity of Qase, which allows you to represent your real-life infrastructure environments and then specify which of the environment a test run should be executed in. By simulating real user conditions, these environments help testers check how the software behaves on various devices and networks, ensure its security, and identify and fix problems early in the development cycle. To create a new environment, go to your project and navigate to Environments from the left side menu. Then click Create New Environment. Environment properties available are Title, Slug, Description, and Host, with the first two mandatory. Title is a descriptive name of the environment that will be appearing in the test runs. Slug is a URL-friendly shortened version of the title. Description is an optional field for details of your environment and what it is used for. Host is another optional field to place the URL address of the environment for reference purposes. Once created, you can go into your test runs and select your new environment when creating a new run or modifying an existing one. To edit the environment, click on its title or navigate to the three-dot menu on the right, which will show the options to edit or delete an environment. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.